In this quick video, you will learn how to replace the battery in your GMC Safari key fob. Now in the thumbnail, you saw a key fob that looks like this, but a little bit different. Most of them have 4 buttons. Don't worry, I have the same device as you, but just with a different button layout, and you can follow this video, and I promise we'll get a new battery in your device in no time. The only things that you will need are a coin or a flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around or you're not sure where to find one, you can go check out the link in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for just a few bucks. Now, what we're going to do is look down here where the keyring attaches. To the right of that, there is a slot. Right along the seam, there's that kind of indentation right there. We're going to take our our coin or flathead screwdriver, whichever one you have at hand, and you're just going to insert it in there and twist. Just give it a turn and this device will crack right open. It does not take much force. From here, if you have fingernails, longer fingernails, you can just get under the battery and pull it right out. If not, you're going to want to grab something like a flathead screwdriver, a car key, pen or pencil, anything you have lying around, and you're just going to go in to see this little area right here. It's kind of an indentation that helps us to get under the battery and just lift it up, pry it up, or kind of just lift it up with the corner of your tool. Now go ahead and dispose of your old battery. Grab your new CR2032, and when you're putting it in, you want to make sure that this positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. So you'll just snap that into place, facing down, positive side down, and all we need to do now is click the 2 halves of the device back together. There it is. You've got a new battery in there. It should last you a very long time, and all for just a couple of bucks. Didn't have to go to the dealership or do anything too crazy. So I hope that was really helpful for you. And if it was, you can let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. We'd love to hear your feedback. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here. We have you covered with tutorials just like this one for the devices for almost every make and model out there. You can also get this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.